Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming you have the right version and permissions to modify Berry Avenue. Without access, this won't work. Once confirmed, back up the original map files and assets so you can revert. Next, enable Mesh Import plugins and tools, Mesh Tool and OBJ/FBX support, so you can view and edit geometry. With those enabled, open the map folder and load the Avenue model. You will now be ready to extract and inspect mesh faces before any edits are made. Once the model is loaded, switch to face selection or polygon mode so you can isolate faces directly. This lets you target only the geometry you need. Use the editor's expose or unwrap function to visualize face islands and their material assignments. This explains why some faces render differently. Then select the groups you need and export them as separate OBJ or FBX files, or tag them inside the project for reuse. Make sure to keep naming consistent so you can quickly re-import. To finish, re-import the extracted mesh faces into Berry Avenue, apply correct materials, and verify normals are oriented outward. Flip any that cause shading errors. Optimize the faces by merging duplicate vertices, reducing polygon counts, and baking ambient occlusion when appropriate to preserve performance. Once placed, test in-game for collisions and lighting. If faces are missing or invisible, check visibility layers, collision flags, and import scale settings. Often a wrong scale or hidden layer is the single cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.